Welcome to Trendverse by Uzma Amin, your destination for the latest trends in AI, online earning, blogging, finance, technology, and future skills. If you want to stay ahead, learn smarter, and grow faster in the digital world, you're in the right place. Subscribe to join our growing community. Like and share to support valuable content. Turn on notifications so you never miss what's next. Let's learn, earn, and grow together.
Okay, so what if I told you that you could create a video with honest-to-goodness viral potential in just a few minutes? I know, it sounds like something straight out of science fiction, but we're about to break down how AI is making that a reality, right now. And yeah, we're talking about a real, stunning, high-quality video, something you could whip up in the time it takes to brew a cup of coffee. And get this, with absolutely zero editing skills, none. No complicated software, no watching hours of tutorials, just your idea. It sounds completely impossible, I get it, but that's the claim we're gonna dig into.
I mean, the whole idea of making a professional-looking video that easily, it feels like it breaks all the rules, doesn't it? So let's pull back the curtain and see what technology is actually making this unbelievable claim possible. All right, the tool at the very center of this creative revolution is called Runway AI. This is the engine that's turning that "no way that's possible" idea into a reality for creators everywhere. So what is this thing exactly? Well, Runway AI is a tool that generates video from words. You literally just type what you want to see, a description of a scene, a certain mood, an action, and the AI just builds the video clip for you from scratch. The amount of creative power here is just staggering. And look, this is not just some little gimmick or a toy. Creators are already using it for all kinds of real content. Generating unique B-roll for their YouTube videos, creating super dynamic Instagram reels, and even producing short, cinematic scenes that used to require a whole production team. Okay, so how in the world does plain text actually become cinema? Let's walk through the creative process, because this is where the simplicity of it all it's just mind-blowing. It really is as simple as it sounds. You just open the tool, write a prompt describing the scene that you're picturing in your head, and then you just hit generate. That's it. The AI takes over and brings your idea to life in just a matter of seconds. And just think about the power of this for a second. Your input doesn't need to be some complicated script. It can be a simple, vivid idea, like a futuristic city with flying cars and neon lights. You provide that little spark of imagination, and the AI does all the heavy lifting visually. And the results can be genuinely impressive, generating these visuals that look really cinematic and polished. Just think about that. A shot that could take a special effects artist hours, maybe even days to create, is now being generated in just a few moments. It's wild. So this is way more than just a cool new toy. The implications for anyone who creates content are massive, because it completely changes the entire creative workflow. I mean, just look at the difference here. The old way of making videos demands technical skill, a ton of time, and usually a lot of money. Runway AI just removes all those barriers. It's fast, it's accessible, and you do not need years of editing experience. This is a fundamental shift in who gets to create. So who benefits the most from this? Honestly, the answer is pretty much any modern creator. YouTubers can generate endless, unique B-roll. Social media managers can produce eye-catching reels in minutes. Basically, anyone who needs quality short-form video can now create it completely on demand. So here's the bottom line. For any creator, the most valuable thing you have is time. And this tool doesn't just save a few minutes here and there. It has the potential to save you a monumental amount of effort that frees you up to focus on what really matters, the idea itself. And all of this takes us from the practical how-to to a much bigger, more profound question about what's next for video creation as a whole. Make no mistake about it, tools like Runway AI aren't just an alternative. They represent a fundamental change in how we even think about creating visual media. That barrier between an idea in your head and a finished product is becoming thinner than ever before. And this all leads to the big question, right? As these AI tools get more and more powerful and integrated into our daily workflows, will they eventually just replace the craft of traditional video editing? The answer is still being written, but it's a future we're all about to witness. What do you think?